Hi everyone. The assignment for Chapter 4 of the Mariano text was that we should complete the exercises that were in the chapter and discuss the takeaways for the test design. I've been learning so much about test design from all the texts this semester. I have only taught kindergarten, first, and second grade previously, and there's not been a lot of test design for those grades. The North Carolina Department of Instruction usually provides the assessments that I gave. So these exercises have been very enlightening. Exercise 4.1 taught me about alternative choice items and the difference between those and multiple choice items. Marzano says on page 59 of his book, Formative Assessment and Standards-Based Grading, that alternative choice items are like multiple choice items. However, they offer only two possible answers. I really did not realize that there was a distinction between the two. Exercise 4.2, designing extended constructed response tasks and demonstration tasks, was very thought-provoking. It made me think deeply about why each task or each type would be necessary and why one would work for some content and others would not. I also appreciated Marzano's explanation of scoring these items. On page 68, he wrote that essays are used to assess more complex content, so the score should be a 3.0 or a 4.0. However, on page 72, he wrote about scoring for demonstration tasks. The scales constructed for demonstrations must explicitly contain the expected behaviors for score 2.0, 3.0, and 4.0. Finally, exercise 4.3 was very enlightening. The question sent me back through the chapter for explanations and a clearer understanding of what was being asked. Question 3 caused me to think about why the well-constructed scale is critical to scoring a demonstration and unobtrusive observation item. The answer provided on page 145 explains this clearly. It says if a scale is not well constructed, a teacher will not know what behaviors to look for in a demonstration or unobtrusive assessment. The connection that I made from this assignment to the Gardner-Webb Standards for Graduate Teacher Candidates is to Standard 4 and 5. Standard 4, Student Learning, states that teachers should critically analyze student and school performance data to determine needs and to plan instruction that is rigorous, coherent, and substantiated within theoretical and philosophical base. By creating assessment items in the manner that Marzano describes, teachers will have an opportunity to analyze student data, and they will have a clear understanding of what was being assessed and know which children will need more instruction. Also, Standard 5, Reflection, states that teachers should embrace critical thinking, problem solving, and innovation. I feel that the process of test construction, when done correctly, forces a teacher to problem solve and to think critically as they sort through the standards and how they need to be assessed. Thanks for listening. I look forward to your responses.